Hi, in this short video, I'm going to share with you my property market predictions for 2022. My name is Mark Lloyd, I'm co-founder of Property Master Academy, and I've been a property investor since 2005. So let's take a look at what happened in 2021 first. Well, 2021 was a very busy year for property transactions, with 1 in 16 houses being bought and sold, and the indications are that activity will continue into this year as well. But many people struggled to find properties either to buy or to rent, as there were so few properties coming onto the market. We also saw some of the largest month-on-month price rises, and the overall annual increase in property prices was over 10%. So what do I think will happen in 2022? Well, here are my 7 predictions. Firstly, inflation. The official inflation figures are at 5.1%, which is much higher than the Bank of England expected. So I'm fully expecting inflation to increase even further over the coming months before dropping back again. Why is this important? Well, because inflation erodes debt, and that is fantastic news for property investors. But secondly, with inflation likely to increase, the Monetary Policy Committee will be under extreme pressure to increase interest rates. Now, this creates a huge problem for the government due to the amount of government borrowing, particularly during the pandemic. So any increase will cost the government dearly, and therefore us as taxpayers. However, I do think rates will rise, but to no more than 1% before dropping back down as inflation subsides. So I don't expect interest rates to go up to the levels we saw prior to the last property crash, which would be absolutely disastrous. Number 3, the UK market is not going to crash, well, at least not this year anyway. I think the fundamentals of the UK market are strong. We have consistently underdelivered on the number of houses that need to be built each year. Our annual target is 300,000 new homes each year, and in the year 2020 we achieved 180,000 new build homes, which was the highest since 2008. So we still have a long way to go to achieve the government's housing target, and despite Brexit we still have a growing population. At number 4, house prices and rentals will increase. As I mentioned earlier, prices increased by over 10% in 2021. That rate of growth just can't continue. So I expect the rate of growth to slow quite a bit this year, but still expect around 5% in capital values. I also expect rentals to grow, but around the 3% level overall. Oh, and by the way, if you're enjoying this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel so you get notified as and when we upload new videos. At number 5, I expect more portfolios to be sold this year. A large number of portfolios were already sold in 2020, and I expect that to continue. Why? Well, the full effect of the landlord tax, otherwise known as the Section 24 tax, came to full effect last year, and landlords' tax returns are being submitted as we speak. So there will be a bit of a shock for those who have done nothing to restructure their property businesses. And for many, that will mean selling. Great news if you're looking to buy portfolios. At number 6, I believe there will be a surge in development opportunities as investors become more aware of the new permitted development planning rules that came into effect in September 2021. In essence, a lot of the rules around permitted development changed. Now, if you don't know what permitted development is, it is where the government has made it easier to redevelop certain types of buildings and has said that you won't need to apply for full planning in these instances. So, for example, a popular one would be shops with uppers or rooms above a shop that you can convert in a lot of instances without full planning permission. And lastly, at number 7, I think we will see an increase in supply of properties available compared to 2021. And transaction levels will continue at 2021 levels or above. A recent Zoopla survey recorded that 22% of people are eager or very eager to move in 2022. That's 1 in 5 of all households. In addition, there's a backlog of people and properties that couldn't move during 2021 that will gradually get moving in 2022. That's 1 in 5 property owners will potentially be on the move. Now, people will continue to move, partly as a COVID lifestyle choice, but due to increased supply, this will help to dampen house prices and keep them around that 5% growth that I mentioned earlier. But it also help create more potential opportunities too. Well, I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, then please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also appearing on your screen right now are some additional videos that will help you in your property business. Thank you for listening.